Hello, hello. I woke up. My head was booming. I'm a little down with the weather right now. Nose, throat, head felt like it was being vacuumed out. Um, I'm 3, 4 something days behind in the vlogs right now, and Emily's birthday has yet to be finished. It sucks. It sucks, it sucks, it sucks. Every day has been kind of short as to, half-hour Disney vlogs, but I want to get them up. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. It's been kinda... I refuse to have it be a rut, a routine. The vlogs, you gotta make the most of every day, whatever. I might clean up a little, and that's about it, or whatever, but I don't know. Cue the intro.
Come on, everybody, here we go! Off to Neverland!
One bling bling, two bling bling, three bling bling, four bling bling. So yeah, random burst to go to sleep at 12:30. That's right, 12:30, a half hour after midnight. That is a decent hour from you. That is ridiculous. Where is Joshua, and what have you done with him? I'm sick. I'm really sick. As you can tell by my voice, the previous take, or whatever, I literally sneezed and coughed at the same time today. It is ridiculous. It was ridiculous. So, I don't know. Emily's birthday is live right now. The only trouble is, as I said before, I have 4, including today, to edit, render, and upload. Shouldn't take 2 or 3 takes max, or whatever like that. You ready for this? Can we just censor that? Can we just censor that? Yeah, my first naked, my first. No. Tarzan. Yeah, naked, loincloth, hair. That's it. That is it. And then he'd be done. The only thing is, if I make a Tarzan, I gotta make a Jane. And Jane would be good. I don't know, like a Clayton, yeah. Can't make the monkeys. Haven't branched off into... Which sucks, because I'd want to incorporate Lion King. It's just so... So... Let's give you the distressing news as to Tinkerbell moving on to the Main Street area, and Kenny the Pirate. I know he doesn't sound legit, he sounds silly, but he's kinda legit. So yeah, whenever I search Disney World stuff, he pops up first, along with Attractions Magazine and stuff like that. There's some rumors going around that it will only be Tinkerbell. And what scared me the most is that said these changes may take effect as soon as the end of the month. So I have 1.5 or whatever week to finish my Wingology book. It is a project that I have tucked away and haven't gone back on for a while, but I want to finish it. It shouldn't be that hard. The problem is now, getting ink for the printer to print it out and stuff like that, because my card is deactivated now, so yeah, might be going to the bank tomorrow or something, or in the near future, and if I'm going to have them sign the Wingology book, some Dewey going on, some maybe. I mean, I have this, right? Right. I already wear glasses, right? I mean, the only trouble is I'm not short and fat. I'm the exact opposite. I'm tall and skinny, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. So Dad's connection on his phone doesn't let me go on eBay. It lets me go on Etsy, but it doesn't let me go on eBay. Go figure. So it lets me go on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, but I can't exactly really buy like a white mustache and figure out. He has like a jean jacket, jean pants, and a vest, and like this purple sash thing, and his collar is purple too. So I can't bring a staff to Disney. So I'll bring the Wingology book. I mean, yeah. So yeah, I kind of want to conjure up a half-assed Dewey cosplay to present to the fairies with my Wingology book that I have yet to finish and print out, but it is pretty much what I'm going to be converting all of my energy into for the next coming up days, so yeah. And then we got Tech Week, and then we have a very tired arm that's been extended. The battery's gonna die soon. Okay, I'll just sing. I think I'll the show you'll find when your favorite, and you share it. Click the thumbs up. And then the battery died. Not really. It hasn't. Doo doo. Here we go.
Well, hi everyone, and well, make sure you follow this guy. He's pretty good, I hear. Well, fly with you real soon.